Today we are looking at Hoikoro, or Twice Cooked Pork. Let's take a look. Start off by roughly chopping some cabbage. You're going to need a lot of cabbage, so chop up about half into large 3 cm by 3 cm slices. Now to slice up your green capsicums. Japanese green capsicums are very small, so you might only need 2 or 3. Now it's time for the spring onion. Slice diagonally for the sake of beauty and place aside. Now to make our sauce. Add in sweet bean sauce, the breakfast of champions, miso. Eventually, there we go. Weiba or Chinese stock, hot water, and dried chili slices. Mixity mix. Now to start cooking. Pop the pork in, which I can tell you is not cooked twice. False advertising. Cover your bed of pork with way too much cabbage. Pile it up and lid off please. Lid off and in go the green capsicums and spring onions. Lid on. And off and mix. You're ready for sauce time. Get the goop everywhere and mix to coat. Perhaps some stir-fry flipping action for you. Donski plate up. Slowly pressing with chopsticks to avoid puddles. Let's get the thumbnail. Now that we are YouTube ready, crack open today's beer of choice, Sapporo Classic Spring Fragrances. Because men enjoy both beer and floral notes, itadakimasu. With this rich deep sauce with a kick, you'll be licking the plate for sure. By the way, this is our Japanese version, so this is great for people who can't handle spice. I'm gonna go finish this off. Till next time.